How to fix the Instagram video selfie verification is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are asked for the Instagram's video selfie verification, this is done if you're having trouble logging in into an Instagram account with photos of you. The review process may take up to 2 working days. So if you're having troubles with the Instagram video selfie verification, first of all ensure your camera is working properly. This can be tested first with another applications for the camera roll. Make sure that you follow the Instagram's face movement instructions carefully in a good lighting. However, if you're having trouble with one device, try a different device for verification of your account. Make sure to close all the background applications that is currently running on your device, restart your device and then launch the Instagram app again. After that, make sure to clear the cache and data. To do so, long press the Instagram app, go to app info, tap on storage and cache and then clear the cache and then clear the storage. This might ask you to log in back again to Instagram. Once you have logged in, make sure to update the Instagram to the latest version. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.